You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know it's confusing. Many get it wrong. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Lacquer. No, it's not like Laker. It's not a basketball club. Lacquer. That's British English pronunciation. Lacquer in American English, however, the pronunciation is more as lacquer. English pronunciation, how to pronounce lacquer or lacquer. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.